Hi friends, it's Susie. Welcome to my fluid art channel. I'm gonna do a straight pour today, and I'm gonna add some cloud mix. And this is a 16 by 16 inch canvas. So let's try it. This wasn't really happy with the way this one turned out, so doing it over again. And the colors that we have, I have some really cool colors. I've got orange and magenta, and these are both by Amsterdam. So is the yellow. And then I have peacock by Folk Art, and this is God, I always keep forgetting that name even though it's easy. Amethyst by Folk Art. And then I have this really dark blue, it's called Starry Night, and it's by Folk Art too. It's really sparkly and pretty. And I have the Rouge color, which is by Master's Touch. It's a really pretty color as well. And then I also have by Stuck Up Piggies. It's the Egotistical. So I was gonna put some of that in and see what happens. It's supposed to change colors, and it's the first time I've had Stuck Up Piggy before. I haven't tried Stuck Up Piggies before, so this is gonna be interesting to see how it turns out. So here's the cup. Now I'm going to start with a little bit of the pearl mixture. Wait a minute, I had some pearl made up. What happened to that? Well, I'll just add a little bit of the white at the very bottom. It doesn't have to be pearl. Not much, just a wee little bit. Oh, that does have a little bit of pearl in it too. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the yellow. I like to have a light center. Then I'll put a little bit of the orange. Then I'm going to put some of that Egotistical in, but I think I have to put blue with it. I mean black with it. So here I'm going to add it right now, and then I'll put black afterwards. Okay, and then I'll put a little bit of this black. So you have to have black for it to show, I believe. And then next I'm going to put a little bit of this peacock color. And then some of the Rouge by Master's Touch. And I need a little black. This is the this is just regular black, I think. I don't want to end up using the cell activator. That won't be good. Okay, and this is the red, or magenta actually. And I'll put some of the orange again. Oh, I haven't put any pearl mix in there yet. Oh gosh, I forgot. Wanted to put it closer to the bottom, but anyway, it's going to be right here. That's the peacock. This is the amethyst. Oh, and this is that dark blue. And this is some black. Pretty sure this is going to be enough. Really sad I didn't add the pearl mix though earlier, but we'll see how this turns out. And then I have some puddle. It's a grayish color for the puddle. Okay, I think I'm going to have to blow that out. To pop the bubbles. I see bubbles already. There we go. Alright, I'm going to start pouring now. Hope for the best. I'm gonna have to try to get this to move around a little bit so I can. I want to get some sails from it, but I'm not supposed to go really fast. All right, I'm just gonna spin it real slowly after I torch it again. The torching, it helps to pop bubbles, and also if there's any other sails in there, then it will help to bring those out. Okay. It's going over to one side before the other. Let's see if I can straighten that out. All right, I like doing that, that's so cool. All right. Oh wait, I gotta keep it from, it needs to be over this side more, there. If you put it over to one side, then the paint should go that way more. See. Wow. It's gonna be a woo. Look, translucency there. Okay, I gotta decorate the corner. I usually always put black, but I think that I can always change it if I need to. I gotta spin it one more time. Which way should I go? Wow. So it looks like the stuck-up piggy ended up in the middle where all the twirlies are and up at the top. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Whoa, look at that. Look at the translucency of these fingerlingies. Pretty. This is the bottom.